So I'll be showing you how to change the lock screen pattern of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. So if you have a pattern enabled to protect your watch, let me show you how to change it. Swipe up and then look for settings. Normally that takes you to this main settings page. So scroll down on that settings page until you get to security and privacy. Tap on that, and then you should see lock type set to pattern. Tap on that, and then draw your current lock screen pattern. So mine is this one currently, and then that disables the lock screen pattern. So to change, now enable the pattern again, and then now you can draw a new pattern that you want. So let's say I want to change to that one. Okay, so it's going to take that, tell me to draw another one, draw it again, and that should now be my new lock screen pattern. Okay, so now if I go back to the main watch face, try to unlock. If I use the old pattern, it's not going to work. It's only going to work with the new lock screen pattern. Okay, that's basically how to change the lock screen pattern on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.